Hello everyone, myself Shivani Satawan from Kanodia PG Mahavidyalaya. Now my topic is organic farming. In this we will discuss about some topics, and the content is: first we will discuss about introduction, then scope of organic farming, then summary, organic farming in India, some facts and what does organic farming plays in India, and then role of government in India farming. The first is introduction. What is organic farming? Organic farming is a technique which involves the cultivation of plants and rearing of animals in natural ways. This process involves the use of biological materials, avoiding synthetic substances to maintain soil fertility and ecological balance, thereby minimizing pollution and wastage. मीन्स ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग हम इस तरीके से फार्मिंग करें कि हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को नुकसान ना हो और हमारी जो सॉइल है उसकी फर्टिलिटी बनी रहे। इस तरीके से जो नेचुरल मैन्योर्स और केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स को यूज़ ना करते हुए नेचुरल तरीके से फार्मिंग करना जो सबके लिए ठीक हो। द स्कोप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग इज़ एन एग्रीकल्चर सिस्टम दैट वर्क्स इन इकोनॉमिक हार्मनी विद नेचर. It largely excludes the use of synthetic inputs such as fertilizers, pesticides, hormones, and feed additives, and rely upon crop rotation, crop residues, animal manures of farm organic waste, mineral grade, rock additives, and biological system of nutrients mobilization and plant protection. And summary, we can conclude that it is a unique production systems which promotes and enhances agro-ecosystem health, including biodiversity, biological cycle, and social biological activities. Organic farming can be defined as an agricultural processes that use biological fertilizers and pest control acquired from animal and plant waste. Now we will discuss about some points related to facts, some points related to organic farming in India. First is India ranked first in number of organic farmer and ninth in terms of area under organic farming. Second, Sikkim is the first state in the world to become fully organic. Third is Northeast India has traditionally been organic and the consumption of chemicals is far less than rest of the country. Next, the major organic exports from India have been flax seeds, sesame, soya bean, tea, medicinal plants, rices and pulses. Next, size of Indian organic food market is ₹100 crore. Next, number of organic food farmers in India is 5.70 lakh. Uttaranchal is the first state to establish Organic Commodities Board and created Organic Export Zone by establishing organic bio villages. Next, organic farming in India. Government has started some schemes for organic farming since 2015. First is Mission Organic Value Chain Development Northeastern Region, and second is Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Neha Sharma and I'm from Kanodia PG Mahila Mahavidyalaya. Today we are discuss about the organic farming. What is organic farming? Organic farming में अपन without pesticides के farming करते हैं. My topic is what organic farming does and benefit of organic farming. First point is what organic farming does. Protect the environment, minimize soil degradation. इससे अपन विदाउट पेस्टिसाइड्स के फार्मिंग करते हैं तो ये एनवायरनमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. डिक्रीज पॉल्यूशन, ऑप्टिमाइज बायोलॉजिकल प्रोडक्टिविटी एंड प्रमोट ए साउंड स्टेट ऑफ हेल्थ. ये अपनी हेल्थ को इंक्रीज करता है, प्रमोट करता है. मेंशन लॉन्ग टर्म सॉइल फर्टिलिटी को मेंशन करता है. मेंशन बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी विद इन द सिस्टम. रिसाइकल मटीरियल एंड रिसोर्सेज. इसमें अपन फार्मिंग करते हैं उसमें जो वेस्टेज होता है उसे अपन रिसाइकल करके यूज़ कर सकते हैं. प्रमोट द हेल्थ ऑफ लाइफ स्टिक. प्रिपेयर ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स एम्फिसाइजिंग केयरफुली प्रोसेसिंग एंड हैंडलिंग मेथड. रिले ऑन रिन्यूएबल सोर्सेज. एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट इज बेनिफिट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग. ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग के क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं. प्रिवेंट प्रीमेच्योर अगेइंग. ये अपनी हेल्थ को इंक्रीज़ करता है. बूस्ट इम्यून सिस्टम को बढ़ाता है. इंश्योर सेफ एंड हेल्दी वर्ल्ड फॉर फ्यूचर जनरेशन. अगर अपन अभी ऑर्गेनिक फूड का यूज़ करेंगे तो अपनी जो जनरेशन है वो भी हेल्दी होएगी। टेस्ट बेटर देन नॉन ऑर्गेनिक फूड। जो ऑर्गेनिक फूड होता है उसका टेस्ट जो नॉन ऑर्गेनिक फूड होता है उससे बहुत डिफरेंट होता है। अगर अपन ऑर्गेनिक फूड खाएं और विदाउट ऑर्गेनिक मतलब नॉन ऑर्गेनिक फूड खाएं तो दोनों का टेस्ट काफ़ी डिफरेंट होता है। रिड्यूस रिस्क ऑफ हार्ट डिजीज़ को रिड्यूस करता है। प्रमोट एनिमल वेलफेयर, रिड्यूस प्रेजेंस ऑफ पेस्टिसाइड एंड प्रिवेंट कैंसर से अपने रोकता है। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Everyone, myself Reena Bodek. I am doing MSc in chemistry. I want present my views on organic farming which is related to environment. So first one is, what is the need of organic farming? In agriculture sector, economic and social development, burden of population expansion on resources, extensive use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides, pollution and destruction of the environment, loss of soil fertility. Hazardous effect on health, decrease agriculture productivity and quality of food. Now the advantages of organic farming. First one is less groundwater and air pollution. In this, no chemical fertilizers, pesticides and weedicides and no any synthetic chemicals are used. No water contamination, no leaching of nitrates. Second one is it produces nutrition, poison free and tasty food. Organic food contain vitamin C contained in vegetables. Organic food have better taste than regular food. Third one is increase soil nourishment. Nourishes soil by increasing soil organic matter. No harm of useful organism. Fourth one is lower production cost. It profitable to farmers, require less water, expensive chemical fertilizers not used. Fifth one is rare energy efficiency. Organic farming has better natural efficiency as well as energy efficiency. It reduce energy requirement for production system.
Hello everyone, myself Pratibha Sharma from Kanoria PG Mahavidyalaya, Jaipur. Happy Environment Day to everyone. We will discuss organic farming. Advantage of organic farming: crop rotation, green manure, biological pest control, compost, crop diversity, soil management, weed management and livestock. डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग। हर चीज़ के एडवांटेज और डिसएडवांटेज होते हैं, तो ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग के डिसएडवांटेज क्या है हम देखते हैं। मोर एक्सपेंसिव, ये बहुत ज़्यादा महंगी होती है। मोर ब्लेमिश ऑन क्रॉप, मोर फार्म वर्कर नीड स्मॉलर यील्ड। डिसएडवांटेज: ऑर्गेनिक फूड इज़ मोर एक्सपेंसिव बिकॉज फार्मर डू नॉट गेट as much out of their land as conservation farmer do. Production costs are higher because farmer need more workers. Marketing and distribution is not efficient because organic food is produced in smaller amount. Limitation of organic farming in India: small land holding, poor infrastructure facilities, lack to technology knowledge for govern organic farm. Neighboring farmer will cooperate. Organic materials such as animal dung and another crop waste used in fuel purpose. Thank you.
Thanks, Dr. Mahmood Tawar, PG Head, Department of Chemistry. This video is submitted by Shivani Satavan, Neha Sharma, Reena Bodek, Pratibha Sharma. I would like to thank all the respected teachers to giving us this opportunity on the occasion of World Environmental Day.